Hi, I'm Jada Pasquale, and I'm the registered nurse here at the Novus Center. And today we'll be discussing how to inject testosterone intramuscularly or subcutaneously. So we're going to begin with intramuscular. We're going to begin with opening up these vials with the McB first and the testosterone. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our 3 ml syringe and we're going to unscrew the cap, the orange cap, and then applying the pink cap onto this. And this is a bigger needle to draw up more testosterone faster. Don't forget to wipe your guys' vials with alcohol. So then I'm going to take the needle and stick it into the testosterone and slowly pull it down. You're going to draw up the testosterone either to 0.3, 0.4, or 0.5 of testosterone, whichever your provider prescribed to you. So today we'll be drawing up to 0.5, and then right after, we're going to be drawing up the McB. So you're going to draw up your McB down to the 1 ml line, and it doesn't matter if you're injecting 0.3, 0.4, or 0.5, we're still going to be drawing it up to the 1 ml line, okay? And then, once you're finished, you're gonna cap it back up, pull a little bit of air, and shake it up so it's easier to inject intramuscularly. And then now, we're gonna switch to the orange cap. Now you're ready to inject. The other form of injecting testosterone is subcutaneously. We're gonna be using this insulin syringe, and with this one, we won't be using any of the McB because McB needs to be injected intramuscularly. So what is the importance of McB? It's a fat metabolizer and it gives you a lot of energy, especially because it has a lot of B vitamins. Also, it's so much easier to inject when you mix it up with testosterone. The second way of injecting testosterone is using an insulin syringe, and this is going to be injected into your subcutaneous areas, which is kind of like your belly fat. With this one, I'm going to pop off the top cap and flip my syringe over. This one takes an extremely long time, so just be patient. Once you're finished with that, you're going to pull it back out and you're ready to inject into your subcutaneous fat. The difference between the intramuscular syringe and the insulin syringe is that the intramuscular syringe can be injected 2 times a week because it's at a larger dose. With the insulin syringe, you're injecting around 0.1 to 0.15. So that's a lesser amount, but you would have to inject yourself more frequently. So typically we have guys inject it from Monday through Fridays. So now I'll be showing you how to inject your testosterone. I'm gonna have you start with your hand on your hip and swerve your 4 fingers down at a 90-degree angle, and where your index finger is placed, that's where you're going to be injecting. Now take your alcohol swab to clean the area prior to injection, and take your syringe. For video purposes, we're going to be using a G-rated version. We're going to shake the syringe first and inject it in that placement. Once you're finished, you can go ahead and get your alcohol swab again and rub the area 10 times to make sure that the testosterone stays into the muscular area. Now there's another way to inject intramuscularly. I'm going to have you guys begin sitting down and relax your legs. Take your left hand and start from the bottom and roll up your leg at the highest point and squeeze. Take your alcohol swab and wipe the area clean. Then go ahead and grab your syringe and shake it up before injecting, and inject it at a 90-degree angle. And once you're finished, go ahead and remove it, take your alcohol swab again, and rub the area 10 times. Now we will be showing you guys how to inject testosterone subcutaneously. I'm gonna have you lift up your shirt, grab your love handles, use an alcohol swab to clean the area prior to injection, then grab your syringe And now this is gonna take a little bit longer just because we don't have McB with this. So at a 90-degree angle, you're gonna push in all the way. Once you're finished, pull out the needle, release your love handle, take your alcohol swab again, and rub 10 times. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please let us know.